What differentiates the successful from the merely striving? What fuels the innovators and drives them forward? How does an enterprise rise higher? By choosing not to go it alone. We are all here because the support of others is what helps us all to reach to greater heights. When each of us adds a stone to the foundation, we all stand taller together. Georgia has seen a 14.5% growth in manufacturing over the past 5 years. This state is home to nearly 10,000 manufacturers who provide over 400,000 jobs and send $37 billion of exports around the globe. We have gathered to share our success, knowledge, and best practices with one another. We are here to forge lifelong relationships, to bolster the state's economy ever further, and raise awareness of local industries amongst both manufacturers and everyday consumers. If we continue to band together, we will have the combined resources to help one another overcome the greatest of barriers. We will rise higher than any one of us could ever have come alone. Today, we will climb to the summit. From here, it's time to fly.